Hello everyone, my name is Ray.
And my name's Sandra.
And we are part of the Nutrition Outreach Working Group at Brescia College, and we are partnering with Lifespan to create a delicious chili recipe today.
This chili recipe is budget friendly and perfect for this time of the year. You can make it on the stovetop or in a crock pot.
You can also make it in bulk or freeze it for later, and a lot of the ingredients can be substituted for the ingredients in your kitchen.
The ingredients that you're going to need are ground beef, a can of corn, or you can use frozen, black beans or pinto beans, a can of diced tomatoes, chickpeas, chili powder, yellow onions, oil, and some salt.
I also want to mention, and if you don't want to use ground beef, you can also use ground turkey or tofu if you're vegetarian, and all of this will be outlined in the recipe document that we're providing with the video and the cost as well. So to begin this recipe, you're going to use a large heavy bottomed pot, and over medium-high heat, you're going to heat 1 teaspoon of your olive oil. You're going to wait till that gets hot. Once it has warmed up, you're then going to add your onions.
Next, you're going to take your ground meat of choice and brown it for 5 minutes. And you're just going to mix it around to make sure that it's not just one big lump, but you're going to mix it and blend it with the onions.
If you find your meat is starting to stick to the bottom, just add a little bit more oil and stir as you go. So as mentioned in the beginning of the video, you can do this recipe in a slow cooker. And if you are, at this point you would take whatever is in your pot and put it into a slow cooker and add the rest of your ingredients. For the purpose of this video, we are doing the stovetop, and now we are going to add the rest of our ingredients. So I'm first going to add all the corn, black beans,
And then we have tomatoes, diced tomatoes, chickpeas, and then we have our chili powder. You can sprinkle that in all around. And then we have salt, a little bit to taste, and you can reserve some of this after and taste it again to see if you need more.
and then you're going to want to stir everything together. Once everything is mixed in your pot, you can then let it simmer on your stovetop. So now that everything's stirred together, you're going to actually bring your recipe to a boil. Once it starts bubbling, you're then going to cover it and let it simmer. So turn it down and let it simmer for 2 hours.
This chili recipe can be served with bread, sour cream, avocados, guacamole, or even green onions.
Also, with this video, we will be providing a recipe doc, and in that doc, you will receive the quantities of each ingredient, the procedures and how to make this chili, the budget breakdown of everything in the chili, as well as the various substitutions you can make.
We hope you enjoy the video and enjoy the chili.